Welcome to MakeX Spark online competition. MakeX Spark is an innovation competition program that has gathered and inspired thousands of innovative talents to build their own intelligent projects. Contestants and teams need to focus on the theme of each competition, carry out the project through software programming and hardware construction, and display the projects to others. With the characteristic of low entrance threshold and flexible form, contestants will have a deeper understanding of how to tackle real-world problems and challenges through project-based learning and enhance inspection and cooperation skills through project presentation. Contestants are encouraged to use a variety of material to design and build their project, which will boost their creativity and problem-solving ability. The age requirement for Spark is 6 to 13. For online competition, contestants should participate in teams. Each team is composed of 1 or 2 members and led by 1 or 2 mentors. For the on-site competition, each team is composed of 2 to 4 members and led by 1 or 2 mentors. Contestants are divided into 2 groups according to their age. 6 to 9 years old as an elementary group, and 10 to 13 years old as an intermediate group. Each team can only submit 1 project. MakeX Spark is an innovation contest for contestants to conduct hardware construction and software programming. Contestants are required to use MBlock as the programming platform of their projects, and there is no limitation for the hardware, and the recommendation equipment we suggest is MBlock 2 or CyberPi. Now let's have a look at the participation procedures. Once the contestants are determined to attempt the competition, the first step is to investigate the theme, and then create models of the projects based on the theme. After that, contestants began building their projects with software and hardware, and design a poster based on the project. The poster must be created by the contestants themselves. Paper and digital versions are both accepted. Contestants are encouraged to give full play to their imagination and artistic creativity to display the projects embedded with pictures and text in a vivid and concise way. Project must be published before the deadline of submission. Online submission is usually valid for 10 days, and contestants must turn to the submission web page to publish projects. During the submission period, contestants can edit or resubmit their projects. After the submission period, MakeX judges will do the evaluation of the project according to the Spark assessment criteria, and you can check the results and the date of the awarding ceremony from the competition webpage. Here is the competition timeline for the first global match. Contestants should publish and submit their projects from May 14th to 24th, and MakeX will do the project assessment from May 25th to June 14th. And the results will be published on the competition website from June 15th to 17th. The award ceremony of the first global match will be held on June 13th. Now let's tap into the theme of the competition. What comes to your mind when talking about low-carbon life? Low-carbon life calls for reducing energy consumption, especially carbon dioxide emissions, so as to reduce air pollution and slow down ecological deterioration. In my perspective, leading a low-carbon life is necessary and becomes urgent in the face of the current situation. How about change our lifestyle from the 3 aspects: electricity saving, gas saving, and recycling? You know what? Your little difference could make a change in the world. Think about our daily life. Do you or your family always forget to turn off the light when leaving the house or the tap after washing your hands? How about developing an energy-saving alert to remind you and your family about that? Or think big. Why not use technical methods to turn off the power at a predetermined time? Or you try to use wind or solar energy to create an intelligent green building. I know it is hard to create a real green building, but we can definitely put the idea into work and use some recycling material like cotton box and plastic bottles to build models of a green building. Apple Park is a good example of a green building. Apple Park is the corporate headquarters of Apple Company, located in California. It can be said without exaggerations that Apple Park is one of the most energy-efficient buildings in the world. The solar panels installed on the roof of the campus can generate 17 megawatts of power, sufficient to power 75% during peak daytime, making it one of the biggest solar roofs in the world. Everyone can contribute to a low-carbon life. Think about intelligent agriculture. We can create an automatic greenhouse monitor to avoid wastage of water and electricity. Or why not use some recyclable material to create a device we can use in our daily life? Alright, that's all for today's video. And in another video, we will talk about the MakeX Spark assessment dimensions and assessment criteria with some excellent projects from the previous competition. See you soon!